Pizza Cupcakes by Parks and Pizza. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. My son is hungry, so I'm gonna make him these pizza cupcakes. I was at my local grocery store and ran into this, and it looks really appetizing. So I definitely want to try it. I know my kid will probably love it. They're pizza cupcakes, 6 in this box. I guess they were on Shark Tank, as it's shown in the box here, and it's by this couple here that makes it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna air fry it. You can bake it, you can microwave it. I'm gonna air fry it. It says you can air fry it. So this one here is pepperoni and mozzarella cupcake. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make these cupcakes. It says 6 minutes at 350 in an air fryer. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sun's blasted in my back, so I hope you guys can see this what I'm doing here. So let's do it. What is it? 6 minutes at 350. Let's make some pizza cupcakes. So here we go. This is what the cupcakes look like pre-bake. It's the box and the cupcakes and the bottom. Go 3 and 3. Here we go, guys. Hot out of the air fryer pizza cupcakes. This is what they look like. That's the bottom of it from the side and the top. All right, everybody, pizza cupcake review time. I think you noticed, I told you guys it's 6 minutes in an air fryer, but I did 7. Accidentally had an extra minute left in an air fryer. So they don't look burnt or overdone. It actually looks right on the money. So this is 7 minutes in an air fryer. Pizza cupcakes. So here's another one for comparison. So that would be the top. This would be from the side. That would be the bottom. It looks really good to me. From the side again. And from the top. There you go. Pizza cupcakes. Let's give it a taste. This is pepperoni mozzarella. Nice and fluffy. It's pretty good. Nice and fluffy. Pizza sauce tastes like pizza. Two bites. Honestly, it's really good and fluffy. I like it. Pizza sauce is real. I think there's only one piece of pepperoni in there. I think if they doubled up on pepperoni, it would be better. But it's very good. I'm gonna say 4 out of 5 for something that comes in frozen. It's very good. It's very, very good. Let me see. Is it only one piece of pepperoni in there? Yeah, it looks like there's one piece of pepperoni in there. So, yep. 4 out of 5. It's very nice and fluffy. Very nice and fluffy and doughy, and fun to eat. So my kids enjoying it inside. Pizza Cupcakes. I have it at my local grocery store. I'm sure you have it too. Kids would probably love it. It's fun for them to eat. We're playing, games and watching TV. So that's it. Pizza Cupcakes. See you guys in the next review.